Hey guys, welcome back to Koja Beauty. Today I am going to talk about the Keep Cool Bamboo Serum. It's this little guy right here. This serum is formulated especially for those with sensitive and irritated skin, and it contains 66% bamboo water, which is rich in amino acids and minerals and also antioxidants, so it really helps to nourish the skin and restore the skin's barrier. On top of that, it contains other amazing ingredients such as Centella asiatica, different plant extracts and hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin, restore the skin's moisture barrier and help the skin repair itself. Before I forget, I want to mention that this serum is cruelty-free and vegan friendly, and let's have a closer look at the texture and how it applies on the skin. As you can see, the serum has a relatively thin consistency, but it's great because it absorbs easily and quickly into the skin, and it doesn't leave any residue behind. It doesn't feel sticky either, and it's just very soothing and comfortable on the skin. If you have watched my previous video, then you will know that I have been struggling with my skin ever since I got back to London, because the water here is quite hard and there's also a lot of pollution that has contributed to my skin irritation. And I tried out the skincare line by Keep Cool, specifically the bamboo skincare line, and it has helped so much. My skin is pretty much back to normal, and I'll insert a photo just so that you can see what my skin was like before, just to give you an idea and how different it is from now and how much my skin has recovered from then. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you because I think it worked really well for my skin. It has helped to restore my skin, and it's great for sensitive and irritated skin, and I can highly recommend it if you are looking for something that is soothing, that will help to restore the skin. Then definitely check out the Keep Cool Bamboo Skincare line. Now that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!